What up guys? Today's video is going to be a quick little video. We're going to be doing a shift boot, a weighted shift knob, and then the shift boot ring, I guess, install. I got a racing weighted shift knob. I tested it out already. The thing's like night and day difference. It's so much better. We'll go over to the car and I'll show you. I got one without the engraving because I got a center console plaque of the gear pattern. I figured it looks a little bit cleaner on there. Kind of looks a little, I don't know, it feels a little cooler for me. We got a new shift boot. It looks like it's just a shift boot cover though. I kind of wanted a shift boot, but regardless, if it works, it works. I'm solid. And yeah, let's go to the garage, get this guy going. I'm excited because this shift knob is pretty sick. So, alright, so in the garage, here's the shift knob. I almost feel that kind of matches my wheel. So, I don't know. We'll see. Let's get the camera set up.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In an ocean of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be looking for something more.